What's going on today, guys? Hey, we got another package in the mail from Amazon that I'm excited to show you guys for the Duramax here. And for you guys that like the high country, don't worry, we got some high country content coming up. I still need to do a review on the tires that I got, the Toyo RT. Just kind of a brief overview of that. Love them, highly recommend them, but I'll do an in-depth review on them. I just wanted to wait a while, almost a year now, really, and that way I can give you guys a good perspective on how well those tires work. So anyways, today is on the Duramax. We got some wiper blades to try out. I've been hearing really good things about these Bosch Icon wiper blades. I've always been a Rain-X Latitude kind of guy. Back in the day, I used to buy the cheap blades. They'd last for, like, 3 months, and then they were done for. So, I decided to step it up in the wiper blade game a little bit. You pay a little bit more, but they last so much longer. The Rain-X Latitudes, I can get an easy year out of. I don't know about you guys. But so that's what I've stuck with ever since. But I've been seeing these Bosch Icons, and they've been getting a lot of attention on the market, so I wanted to try them out. In fact, this truck already has a set on it. I don't know how old they are. They still work pretty good, but I can tell it's a little bit of an older set because they do chirp a little bit. They kind of smear a little bit, and I'll show you guys how that looks, and then we'll do a quick installation on these. So it's pretty straightforward, but like I say, let's show you how these blades look real quick. If we do a quick wipe. Don't mind my steering wheel. It's just been saturated with some leather honey to try to restore it a little. Turn the fan off so we don't kill the battery here. And no radio so we don't get demonetized. Let's give it a wipe. You can see it kind of smears. There's a little bit of chirp there. And once again, guys, I don't know how old these blades are or anything of that nature, but yeah, we're going to replace them. So first of all, let's open these puppies up. Sorry if you guys can hear the neighbor in the background. It is springtime and doing a little spring cleaning. This is literally how they came from Amazon, which, by the way, I'm going to leave you guys a link down in the description for these wiper blades should you guys decide that you want to buy a set for yourself. So be sure to check that out. There's the first one, really well packaged, I will say, first of all. So you can see they're a lot like a lot of the other blades that you see today. A lot like the Rain-X Latitude style ones. It's got a little cover on it so you can clip this on there and then cover it up. Just like so. It's just a traditional J-hook. So let's go clip these on there and do our before and after wipe. Literally like I showed you guys. Pinch these clips in, pull up, pull this guy up a little ways here. He doesn't come up much. Slide back on it, pull it out. Be very careful about setting this down here. I've heard horror stories about people letting these slap on here and cracking their windshield, so you don't want to be doing that, guys. Let's take the new one, try to squeeze the clip on both sides, pull up, run it through the hole here, and slide on. Put back. Boom. One done. Side. And if you are concerned about cracking a windshield or something like that, you can always set down a cloth or microfiber or something there. That way you don't run into that issue. It's hard to do with one hand. There we go. Off with the old, on with the new. Through the hole, clip on, snap. Boom, like that. Alright, so obviously you guys saw the before and kind of how it was smearing. Let's do an after with these new blades and see how they look. Close the door so it doesn't ding. Alright, let's hit it. Woo, that's a lot better. Boy, and they're whisper quiet too. Alright, I'm very happy with them. Honestly, guys, this is just a quick install. I haven't run these long term, so I don't know how they're going to do. Although, online, everything I've read about them, I have not seen anything bad about these Bosch Icons. So I'm going to run these blades for quite a while. I'll do like a 6-month video update, maybe even a 1 year if we can get a year out of them like the Rain-X, and let you guys know how they are still running. Definitely need to get these on today though, because we are going to experience some thunderstorms over the weekend. It is springtime, as you guys know. That was just a quick one for you today, guys. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like the video, subscribe, share with your friends, show them these Bosch Icon blades. And whenever the 6-month time comes up, I will leave a link down below so you guys can check that video out. All right, guys, until next time.